So to install your VN into your device, go to the store, the app market, and type in VN Video Editor. You see this is the application I'm talking about. So you click on it and then you can install it. If you don't want to install it in the App Store, you can go to the web browser and type in VN Video Editor. And then you need to go to the official website. You can download VN Video Editor from there. So after downloading and installing VN Video Editor, you can launch your application as I'm doing right now. So I'm going to take you through different areas in the application right now. So when you come here, you will see this plus sign here is for new projects. If you want to start a new project, you click the plus sign here. And then this place is for home, and it is already in the home page. So when we are in the home page here, you will see our existing projects. So when we tap on this plus sign here, it will take us to another page that says new project. So you can tap on the new project to create your new project. So it will ask you to select some pictures or videos to be able to start your project. So we have already generated some pictures here. As we get into our tutorial, I will show you how to generate pictures and consistent images in case you want to generate things like stories and other things that you need to learn. So I'll show you all those things. So here you need to select your pictures. Here, just click on those pictures that you want to use. And after selecting your pictures, click on next here. And then your project will open for you. So this particular screen right now is a screen that will show your video. While you are editing your video, you will see your video how it will look like here. Now when you come down here, you will see other features here. These are the tools that we are going to use in our video editing. We have trim, we have delete, we have effects, we have flow, we have cutout, we have crop, and the rest. So here, this particular place you see me touching right now is the timeline. So we add our pictures, our clips, our footages into the timeline, and then we edit. And then while other areas here are also part of the timeline, that we add music, we add images, and the remaining part of it. If you also want to export your video, you come up here at the top right part of your screen, and then you click on the arrow to export your video. Alright, so with this, I hope you can understand some basic features of VN mobile application, and you can play around all these features and then you use them. As you get into the project, we are going to edit full video and you will know how to use all these features because I'm going to explain everything for you. See you in our next lesson.